President Yoweri Museveni niwe yakorera umukoro gwo kushohoza ebirigiro mu kubara abantu ogwakorerwa hari Serena Hotel muri Kampala.
Countries that don't have peace never conduct censuses.
Omu byashohozebwa Uganda obwa hateye n'abantu 4,953,586 aba barumuna n'empunje 78,681 abanya-Uganda beyongireho 11,30 okuruga ahari 3,806 omwaka gw'2014. ahari aba abakazi nibakira abashaija abakazi ni 2,380 abarukora obucweka 51 harigana kandi batwire nibakira abashaija mu myaka 20 hingwire rero babashaija ni 2,200 n'ekicweka.
Your Excellency, at birth, more males are born compared to females. Actually, the sex ratio at birth is estimated that for every 100 females, there are 105 males who are born. But in life, more males die compared to females for biological, social, and environmental reasons, which if we had time, we would tell you.
Abantu kuragaha kuzarwo kuza myaka 17 bari aha bucweka 50 n'ubutonyezo 5 aharigana kandi abakikuruna n'abagurusi abarenzize imyaka 6 n'ubucweka 5 harigana. Eminyeto kuragaha myaka 18 kuzaha myaka 30 n'ubucweka 22 n'ubutonyezo 7 harigana. Abantu abarukora kuragaha myaka 14 kuzaha myaka 64 bari aha bucweka 55 n'ubutonyezo 6 harigana.
You remember we had problems with some groups which wanted to castrate people, that they are controlling population, like Mrs. Gandhi did. And then NM told you, so please, the problem of too big family sizes is medical and socio-economic.
President Museveni yayireka kushemererwa habwa abantu kutandika kuzo mu mbera nungiye byesente n'ingashimani economy.
I think when we started the life expectancy was 43 years or something like that. So if people are dying early, you need more so that some die, some survive. But now life expectancy has gone to 63%. And people are joining the money economy.
Echanga cha Buganda nicho kirukukiza y'abantu chine miliyoni 11 na n'emitwaro 10 kikuratirwe busoge ine miliyoni na n'emitwaro 20 West Nile ine miliyoni 3.9 rero ankore ryo mwanya gwa kana na miliyoni 3.6 kandi yo kigezi ine miliyoni 1.8 ahabwa TV West and Elias Rutugusa.